Oh, ooh,
It's called a supercharger.
Oh, come on, man! What in the world? Good lord! What?
Supercharger.
Wait a minute, let me put my glasses on.
Oh damn, you got it. Oh, yeah, they're like dead on Walmart right there.
Dude, what is this? What is this?
It's a spindle on the inside of the supercharger.
Oh, it came apart?
The supercharger literally
Holy
is like
crap.
this. So all it is just veins that are going in it.
Oh, that's a. Oh, this is a.
Here you go.
Come on, man. Dude.
So these veins and these shafts, they turn, so they go like this. That's how it creates. It's almost like, you know, a turbine.
Yeah.
This here goes actually like this. So it's veins in it.
Ooh, righty guys, here we back at this track hawk with the blown up supercharger. Guys, now there's some things you guys didn't see. I didn't point out because I wasn't aware of that. Now my buddy, my Russian buddy, he did mention that about overspunning the supercharger. Now this is not factory crankshaft pulley, right? So it's either bigger or smaller. Okay, now I just found out the objective behind that. Okay, so not only that, the pulley, let's go to the old and the new. Let's compare the sizes. Y'all see the size of this pulley here and the size of this? These are different, guys. So if you go with a smaller pulley, I don't know, laws of physics, this will spin a lot faster. Okay, now these are not the same, right? Is it me or am I seeing things? Let me put these side by side. Okay, from my eyes, yes, they're not the same size. So there's a chance of overspinning this. It's not factory. Wow. Okay, so they added a catch can to it. Interesting. Oh, so the Hellcat is not even factory equipped with a. Wait a minute, let me find out if this is an oil catch can first. I don't know what this go to. It looks like a catch can, guys. Am I wrong? So can somebody? Oh, they put it all in this box. We had to move it out of that other stall because my buddy will be here tomorrow. But yes, this is all the parts. Yes, my eyes are not deceiving me. This is smaller than this. So again, what happens when you go smaller? I guess you would spin a lot faster, right? Did that cause that? I don't know. But I read all you guys. I read all of the comments, guys. Y'all be on it. Y'all have some inputs galore. Okay. Now, some of you probably would have pointed that out. I think I had this backwards on the original video. Had you saw these or compared these, then yeah, some of your statements might have been different. But I think this was facing the other way. So now that he got it, well, we can compare. We can now physically see that, yeah, there's a difference in size. And as far as the pulley go, or the crankshaft pulley, yeah, that's not stock. So I want to say that's bigger. It might be bigger or smaller. I don't know what the original looked like. All right, so yeah, some modification has been going on. And even this, guys, y'all see how clean it is down there? That's a true sign that this engine may have been out and built, okay, for this purpose, racing. I mean, these are racing guys. I mean, sometimes you push the needle a little too far. Sometimes, you know, when you got money like that, you can do things like that. Okay, nothing matters to you. Okay, but underneath all of it, aren't you still constrained to what this dish out? Unless you go in and program it or go in and tune it, do your thing. Can you? Hey, my buddy at All Park Garage, they have ways they can go in and tune these to ignore certain things, and yeah, it's crazy, man. There's no ridiculous MDS solenoid. There's no God, what's the word I'm looking for? It's the MDS solenoid. There's no MDS. So yes, this I don't know. We never had the rocker arm failing or ticking on. I'm not gonna say it don't happen, because the minute I say that, my buddy I can't think of his name, but he always remind me. Yes, even the 6.4s that's equipped with a stick. That was a big talking point for a while. All the 6.4s equipped with a stick would not be equipped with MDS. So those do not tick. Boy, they jump out and correct you quickly. Wait a minute. Yes, they do, bro. Yes, they do. Mine's ticking. I had the manual. My rocker arms fail. The thing is, guys, what's going on? is the rocker arms, the needle bearings in the rocker arms will come apart, chew into the camshaft, and make you need cam and lifter job. All right, a lot of people was blaming that on oil. It's different scenarios on what people was blaming it on. In fact, this engine take totally. Let me see the weight. Normally they store it on the cap. Yeah, this is 0W40. Tighter tolerance is what I was told. The reason behind that. Synthetic. Yes. Let me see. Let me get a closer look at this, guys. Always go in with the recommended, or unless your engine has been compromised. Okay. Let me see. I want this to be my thumbnail. So yes, guys, this is the weight of oil that you should be using in this supercharged Hellcat engine. A lot of people say motor, engine, motor, whatever you want to call it. So, but I just want to throw this out there before somebody, I don't want to mislead anybody. I'm hoping, now I'm mad at myself because I should have, I remember him mentioning it, but I didn't turn the camera around to verify or show y'all the difference in the pulleys. Okay, so yeah, there's a chance some overspinning might have been done, but as soon as the parts get here, we're going to install this, and I will be here for the firing up ceremony. Remember, guys, that whole supercharger was set. Remember let me put a clip of it right here. Remember all this stuff right here? It was sitting on this, so we didn't see it. So by the time it was time to install the new supercharger, we go, oh, wait a minute, this is crushed. Guys, you see this? This is a coolant tube. Right, this headed toward the water pump. So yeah, this going up here, heater hoses. Yeah, don't sleep on this. This is important, and both of these are damaged. When that supercharger came apart, it caused this damage, but we don't see it until. All right, long story, but yes, guys, don't forget, tune in. Hashtag shorts, guys, real quick. Y'all know I'm doing this timing belt. This PT Cruise. I'm gonna put this tip out there real quick, guys. Getting ready to take the belt off, but before you do that, guys, please bring the timing marks up. Okay, yeah, the arrow's supposed to go up. This is a dual overhead cam engine, meaning there's 2 camshafts per 1 cylinder head. It's an inline 4-cylinder, so there's only 1 cylinder head. Okay, now I got the bolt off on the tensioner, so the belt is loose. But again, before you take the belt off, here's a quick tip, man. Please mark. Make sure you're in line in time. I'm using this marker right here, so you know. Now the only other mark is down there on the crank. I can't really reach that, but you can see the arrow pointing up. Let me see if I can zoom down there. Make sure you get that on the right spot, and with that in the right spot, that way when it's time to see, they side by side or right across from each other. When it's time to install it, it should be easy. All right, that's all I have, man. Quick hashtag short tips.